Wait lang. Share screen. Okay, so yan yung magiging seat work ninyo. So yung ang na-discuss lang kasi natin dito would be yung the number 1, no? Tapos yung number 1 dito sa may first problem, yung letter A sa first problem and itong letter A sa second problem. So your seat work would be itong letter B, then itong letter C ng number 1. Okay, copy and answer, no? You write it in long coupon. So, sulat nyo yung problem. So you write your name, basta yung format natin during seat work, no? So name, your level section, date. Okay, so then seat work, no borders needed. So long coupon, do not write at the back. So just like para tayong nagki-quiz, ganun yung format, no? Okay, so and then itong number 2, so you write number 2, no? Not number 6. So it would be yung letter B, letter C, and letter D. So yung letter C, ito 1.1 yan, no? Negative 1, negative 1.1, tsaka 5. Ito naman, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 6, and 10 raised to 6. So, your seat work, so you upload it in our Google Classroom. So you scan, no? Or you take a picture of your activity, of your seat work, then you upload dito sa ating Google Classroom. So, gawa na ako ngayon ng tawag dito, itong sasubmitan natin. So, seat work. Okay, so, ayan, 50 points. So, this would be 50 points. So, ano yung topic natin dito? So, the topic would be itong electric fields. Electric fields. Due to continuous charge distributions. Due date, so would be today, of course. So since it worked to, no, dito assignment, so you will pass it today. 04/30/2026. So yung time, hanggang 12. Again, no, so this is a seat work, not assignment, not problem set. So mag-auto close yung ating G-forms, yung ating dito sa Google Classroom. So pag late, of course, hindi nyo na masasubmit. So don't forget to turn in, no? So mag-turn in kayo kapag nagsasubmit. Paki-check nga class kung kita na yung punta kayo sa may classwork. Ayan, so hindi na ako naglagay ng instruction kasi in-announce ko naman dito, no? So kung hindi kayo pumasok, o di ibig sabihin, or kung hindi nyo alam yung instruction, so hindi kayo pumasok. Kita na ba? Paki-check nga. Guys, paki-check.
Meron na, sir.
Meron na. Pindutin nyo yung turn in pag magpapasa kayo. Again, so I'll just repeat my instruction. So you answer for your seat work, you answer the following problems in our examples. So copy and answer. So copy number 1. O, then ito na lang ilagay nyo na letter A. Letter A to, then ito naman ay letter B. Number 2, you copy the question. Ito yung number 2 ninyo. Then ilagay yung letter A, itong B. Letter B naman ito. Again, this is negative 1, negative 1.1, tsaka 5. Then letter C ito. Okay, so format of paper, just like yung quiz, no? Long coupon ban, you write your name, date, your level and section. So you write seat work. Okay, so seat work, then no writing at the back. So after that, you scan or you take a picture of your classwork, then you upload dito sa ating Google Classroom. Okay, so as you upload, don't forget to turn in. So kasi pag hindi nyo yan tinurn in, so parang hindi acceptin yan, no, ng ating Google Classroom. Okay, so it will close today, 12 noon or 12 p.m. So after that, you cannot submit anymore. So ibig sabihin, you don't have seat work. Okay, so this will serve as your attendance and also your activity. So again, this is 20% of your grade. So kaya you should do it. Okay, so any question or clarification with our seat work? So may tanong ba tayo, class?
None, sir.
Okay, na-upload ko naman, di ba? Ay, na-send ko doon sa group chat, tama ba? Yung ating material. So meron na yun eh. Okay na, so meron na. Check nyo na lang, no? Okay, sige. So if there's no question, so we can now leave and do your seat work. Okay, so thank you and